Hi, Chad Cooner here with Cooner Construction. Today we're going to talk about proper deck maintenance. Maintaining your deck is very important because if you don't, your wood's going to end up rotting. As you can see, this deck has gone for a long time. This homeowner just bought this house about a year ago and hasn't had a chance to refinish it yet. Prior to this house being bought, it was neglected. If you're really serious about having a wood deck and you maintain it properly, it'll last as long as a composite deck. You should check out your deck every 3 to 5 years to see how the stain's holding up. What you need to do with a deck like this is they make a couple things for your pressure washer. One is a degreaser. You can pour it in the reservoir. You spray it on. You let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes according to whatever the instructions say, and then you pressure wash it off with like a medium pressure. You don't want to pressure wash too hard because you'll damage the wood. Then you're going to want to use it's like a wood conditioner, cleaner type thing. You pour that in your reservoir according to the instructions also. Spray it on, wait 5-10 minutes like the instructions say, and also spray that off. After that, if there's still some imperfections or stains on your deck, you're going to want to take a sander and sand them out. Careful not to sand too hard because you could put an indentation in the wood or even discolor it according to what you've pressure washed off. After all the prep work is complete, and then you're ready to put your stain on. You just put the stain on according to the manufacturer's instructions on the can of stain, and you'll have what looks like a brand new deck.